Are you tired of feeling stuffed after Thanksgiving dinner? Well, it's time to uncover the secret weapon to a satisfying and balanced feast. The Protein Power Play, unlocking the key to a fuller feast. Thanksgiving is a celebration of indulgence, but it doesn't have to derail your health goals. Stephen Campolo, a renowned fitness trainer and weight loss expert, shares an insightful strategy: start with protein. The secret to feeling fuller with less food is simple: prioritize protein. Campolo emphasizes: load up on lean turkey and ham first, and you'll be surprised how satisfied you feel. But here's where it gets controversial. Campolo reveals that high-quality protein triggers satiety faster than any carbohydrate on the table. Once your stomach signals enough, those tempting mashed potatoes and rolls lose their allure. You'll naturally opt for smaller portions or even skip the heavy sides altogether, yet still feel completely content, he adds. And this is the part most people miss: plant-based proteins can also be your allies. Becky Geisel, owner of Beck's Kitchen and Catering, suggests incorporating lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa into your Thanksgiving sides. They add satisfying texture and a boost of protein, she explains. Geisel also highlights the importance of greens like broccoli and spinach, reminding us that Thanksgiving can be both indulgent and nutritious. Danielle Vorthy, a professional chef at Hungry Root, agrees. She recommends starting your meal with a protein-packed salad, combining cooked chickpeas, shaved Brussels sprouts, and fennel for a refreshing and balanced dish. It's all about creating dishes that nourish your body while celebrating flavor and tradition, Vorthy emphasizes. So, are you ready to flip the script on Thanksgiving feasting? By prioritizing protein and embracing plant-based options, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal without the post-dinner guilt. What's your take on this protein-centric approach? Do you think it's a game-changer for a healthier Thanksgiving? Share your thoughts and let's spark a conversation. Remember, it's all about finding that perfect balance between indulgence and well-being.